start, I'm going to show y'all how to clean the saloon during happy hour. To begin, we clean surfaces with this cleaner and yellow or orange rags. We start with the table. Next, we clean the walls. Don't forget about the ceilings. And every single corner. Then, we clean the windows using glass cleaner and another yellow or orange rag. Don't forget to take out all of the trash and recycling.
For the floors, first we vacuum.
Then we mop the floor with water and bleach.
During happy hour, to clean main cabin, you wipe all surfaces with blue liquid and a yellow or orange rag. To clean the floor, you vacuum and mop. During happy hour, to clean the bathrooms or heads, you are going to need a bucket and a green and pink rag. After you put your gloves on, you fill the bucket with water and bleach and use the pink rag to clean all surfaces, including showers and sinks, and the green rag to clean the toilet.
Remember to start cleaning the cleanest surfaces and move to the dirtiest. Don't forget to check that there's soap, paper, and to change the towel. Clean towels are in this cabinet in the portside cabin head. Last but certainly not least, don't forget to take out the trash and replace it with a new bag.
During happy hour, to clean the bridge, we wipe all surfaces with blue liquid and a yellow or orange rag, just like in main cabin or the saloon. And to clean the floor, we vacuum and mop. Be careful about papers and electronic equipment.